everyone, welcome back to another daily US weather update. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell to never miss the next weather update. So first, we're just going to start off with the overview of what's going on in the United States right now. So right now we have in Texas, we have a hazardous weather outlook, it looks like. I'm not sure what this warning is. It's not exactly... Okay, never mind. That's not a weather-related warning. It does look like we do have a red flag warning in effect for much of Arizona. Southeast to northwest Arizona. We have that red flag warning, so critical fire weather is possible down here in this area. Definitely some dry air in that area and not much rainfall, so I could see how they put that up. We also have some gale warnings in effect along the East Coast right now, extending from Maine all the way down the coast. And we also have some more gale warnings on the west coast of the United States. And we are continuing to have a bunch of flood warnings for the central U.S., extending from Texas into Ohio area. We have a lot of flood warnings, river flood warnings, mostly because of the excessive rainfall in those areas that we had just a few days ago. We've had a very heavy rainfall, and that is definitely leaving those rivers still the flood gauges in flood status. We also have a special marine warning in effect for South Florida right now. Basically, severe thunderstorm warning over water. It doesn't look too severe, so I wouldn't worry about that right now. But yeah, that's about it for the U.S. right now and what we're looking at. Okay, let's move on to our current weather conditions in the United States right now. So, this is the current U.S. wind speeds, and this is sustained wind speeds. It's basically what we're looking at right now. It doesn't look like we have any areas with really winds that are that strong. Other than the southeast, we do have that low pressure system here. That is bringing some quite heavy winds, up to 40 miles per hour. Quite strong. So yeah, we could be seeing some stronger winds in the southeast, but that's about it. Everywhere else looks kind of calm in the United States right now. Going to wind gusts. The strongest of the wind gusts are in northern Maine, the northeast, and I would say the southeast, because in the southeast we're seeing very strong wind gusts. Florida, some areas can be up to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Along the coastal line, 42. So definitely some strong wind gusts, especially offshore, so I can see why those gale warnings are in effect. Here's our current U.S. weather radar. It's looking kind of calm right now. It does look like we do have these thunderstorms over Florida right now. Right here is where that special marine warning is. As you can see here, special marine warning in effect. I would also like to show everyone our extreme forecast for winds today. It doesn't look like we have that high of a chance for strong winds. In Arizona, we do have a decent chance in some areas. That could be partly why that red flag warning is in effect. But yeah, we do definitely have a chance for those strong winds in Florida and Arizona and Maine. A lot of the U.S., though, is negative, so we have a very low chance in any of these green areas. So, yeah, definitely a very low chance in most of the U.S. There's very strong winds. Moving on to the current temperatures in the United States. It is very warm right now for most of the U.S. Definitely above average. We do have some pockets of air, along the mountains over here, which are below freezing, but most of the U.S. temperatures are above freezing except into the very northeast U.S. Everywhere south of this line is basically where you'll be seeing very warm temps. Okay, let's move on. Here's our current U.S. humidity right now. There's very dry air over Arizona and New Mexico and Texas and California, so definitely be careful for that fire weather, because these very strong winds can definitely help with that fire weather. Everyone has to be very safe for that fire weather in Arizona. Okay, and that's about it. Now we should take a look at our current U.S. satellite, and then we'll be taking a look at the future. So here's our current U.S. Satellite here, and you can see the U.S. is looking very nice. It's going to be a very nice day in the United States right now. Especially the central U.S. over here. Very clear, I mean extremely clear. Beautiful day. This extends all the way into parts of the northeast. We'll be seeing a nice clear day. And parts of California is still seeing those clouds due to a area of low pressure offshore. It doesn't look like it's really causing any issues though, so I'm not too concerned about that. We also have the area of low pressure down here on the east coast, which is bringing some rain to the southeast, but that's about it. And there is a slight risk for snow in the northern U.S. Okay, and now we're going to go take a quick look at the future right now of what's going to be happening in the next few days in the United States. So let's go take a look at just a few models of what's going to be happening. So here's our precept type, and the precept type is just going to be showing what is going to be happening in the next few days to a week. So let's just wait for these to load in. So this is about right now, where we are right now, around this kind of period, like about here. This is basically what's happening in the U.S. right now. Again, we have that area of low pressure off the shore of California here. We have that more intensive area of low pressure coming out of the southeast. And we have a few snow showers all along the coast. I mean, in the northeast. And then there's also another area that might affect the U.S., another area of low pressure up here that'll be coming in. So let's just go out to tomorrow, 12 p.m. It's going to be looking very good. That area of low pressure right now that is besides California will be coming on shore in the next 24 hours here. And this is mostly just going to be heading into the U.S. like this. It's going to be heading this general direction, as you can see here. It's hard to see, but we could definitely be seeing a small winter threat for the northern Arizona, that entire Midwest area. You could be seeing that threat for winter weather. And then we're basically just going to be seeing this system make a turn to the southeast and possibly bring some severe thunderstorms to Louisiana and the southeast, eventually moving through Florida, and then finally moving out. And going back a little bit, we also have another area to watch. There is this, right here, a cold front going to be moving through. I can't draw anything, but it's mostly going to be moving in this general direction. Definitely not this far, but as you can see, it's going to be moving in, possibly bringing some mountain snow to Northern California, Washington area, and then eventually it will mostly just die out as it moves through the U.S. And then our next threat would be on the 9th, where we do have another system coming onshore of California, bringing mountain snow and some moderate rain for parts of California and the West Coast. And that will continue to move east, really bringing a lot of snow. And a lot of the snow and precip is just going to linger. It originates here and then going to head this general direction. So that low pressure system will be affecting Canada, possibly intensifying here. You could even see an eye in this low pressure system. A large band of outflow, another band of outflow here. It's almost like I'm talking about a tropical system. These bands of outflow are also cold fronts, if you were wondering. And these cold fronts, this cold front on about the 11th, we could be seeing a big severe thunderstorm threat. For everywhere south of Ohio and Indiana, we could be seeing this huge severe thunderstorm threat in this area, because we are seeing a lot of heavy rain, and when we see a lot of that heavy rain, it means there's a good chance of severe thunderstorms and possibly some tornadoes and large hail. We'll have to see exactly what happens, but it does look like it will weaken and move through the East Coast. And from that system, it'll all be said and done probably about the 12th. But then we got another system starting out on the 12th, yet again, another low pressure system in the southeast. And by the 13th, we could see there's another low pressure system over here. And that is as far as we can go out with this model. But we could see another severe thunderstorm threat popping up over here. Definitely in that general area for severe thunderstorms in March. So we'll have to watch for all these severe thunderstorm outbreaks, and we'll just have to watch them. And I'm going to quickly look at some other models, now that everyone knows exactly what's going to be going on in the next week or so. What do I do? I am sorry. I'll make this one quick. Here's the simulated infrared imagery. This is just a simulation. And again, this is about right now. What we're seeing. A slight eye from this low pressure system. And definitely a lot of convection. So I'm just going to go through this real quick. And this is that thunderstorm, or this is the low pressure system I was talking about. As far as we can go. See, this could be a huge severe thunderstorm event because it has a decent convection in all these areas. So we'll have to watch it very carefully for severe thunderstorms. And I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Hopefully everyone enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell to never miss the next weather-related update. And feel free to follow us on our outlets. All the links are in the description. and the link to our Discord server where we talk about weather. And yeah, we just hit 35 members, so feel free to join that if you like to talk about weather with the community. So again, thank you everyone for watching, and yeah, stay safe and have a nice day.